For 26 years, Mavenco has stood as a pillar of strength, a testament to resilience, dedication, and unwavering service. From humble beginnings to becoming a billion-strong cooperative, we have grown not just in numbers, but in purpose. Every product, every service, every act of care is built with one mission: to put our members first.
Maayong adlaw sa tanang mitambong karong adlaw sa atong ikaduhang Representative Assembly. Ako inubanan sa Mavenco Management and Staff ug sa atong maabtik nga Board of Directors. Mapasalamaton sa higayon ug oras nga inyong gihatag tungod ug alang sa kalampusan sa atong assembly. For 26 years since the birth of Mavenco, makaingon ko that we have come a long way and that we have achieved so many success and milestones.
Good day, dear cooperative members, partners, and Mavenco family. It is with great pride and gratitude that I stand before you today as your chairman of the board. Our journey together has been one of growth, resilience, and shared success. Over the years, 26 that is, we have achieved a remarkable milestone that strengthened our cooperative and empowered our members. Specifically for financial growth and stability under our leadership, we were able to increase the cooperative's assets and improve financial services, ensuring that every member benefits from our shared success.
Good day to our corporators, members, partners, and owners. 25 years ago, Mavenco started its humble beginning. Mavenco's journey to become a billionaire cooperative is not just a walk in the park. Through the years, we have remained committed to our mission to provide financial support, livelihood opportunities, and financial service to uplift the lives of every members and their families.
We celebrate the stories we have been part of, the lives we've touched, and the futures we've continued to shape.
Ako si Harbito Abaw, nagpuyo sa Libertad, Bugo City. Membro ako sa Mavenco, Bugo Branch. Sa unang panahon, sa 2017, nagsugod ko sa aning paitlog, 50 pa to ka heads. Unya, doon ako'y gamay ang kwarta. Ako mutong napunan ako og 200, dayon nag 500, pero ang akong building atong time gamay pagyod, igo ra gyud sa 500 ka heads. Doon naman ko'y nakuanan nga naay programa ang Mavenco sa katong agribusiness, ning apply ko og loan. Nagpasalamat sad ako kay giaprubahan nila ang loan, muni nga napadako nako gamay ang among paitlogan sa manok, naka-expand ko sa building, ning abot na ang among heads og 1,600. Unya napami ni RTL tungod atong kwarta nga akong nahuaman sa Mavenco. Dako kayo ang kausaban sa among manok karon kay dako-dako naman ang production sa mga itlog. Unya nakatabang sa ni sa among pamilya kay dili man ko maghago sa itlog kay ang itlog nga among ikuan karong adlaw magamit man pud namo sa among layer sa ato pa. Dako kayo og kausaban karon nga kuan na kami sa among kaning itlog, kaning layer. Unya nagplano mi nga amo pa ni siyang papunan kon donar pa may kanang mga sobra sa kanang ganansya kuno kay sa ako yung bahin ang kaning sa pagpangitlog sa paglayer sa manok, dako jud kayo ang imong ma-income kay ang sa ang trabaho sa maintenance naaraman makuha raman sad sa itlog kada adlaw. Mo-harvest mami sa karon kay ang among uban nga manok nakal naman, mo-harvest mami karon og 37 nga ris 38. Atong una nga opay kal, mo-harvest mi og 48 usay ari sa 50, depende sa panahon. Una nga dako kay ko pasalamat sa kining Mavenco nga gininsalig sila nako nga makaabil ko sa maong loan sa agribusiness. Tinuod yun ang ilang giingon nga ang Mabenco sa kalisod o sa karuhay anaa kanunay og dako kay kong pasalamat sa Mabenco branch sa Bugo City. Daghang salamat.
May adlaw sa tanan, ako di ay si Annalyn Abiliana, member sa Carter Mabenco branch. Nagsugod ko og apil sa Mabenco ni adtong Pebrero 2020. Ang akong giabil nga programa nila mao ang swine financing program. Nagsugod ko og 20 ka baboy. Sa hinay-hinay, nakaabot ko ika 11 ka bat sa akong pagpamuhi. Sa ako ang pagpamuhi, diligid kalikayan o sahay ma-failure, pero naglabid jud ang makaginansya. Sa una, dako yung kalahian ang panginabuhi sa una. Sa pagkakaroon, sa wala pa ko maapil o Mabenco, kay sa una, dili man kaya ang pagpasinan sa daghang baboy. Nagsugod akong pamuhi sa isa ka anay, hangtod. Nakaapil ko sa Mabenco, nakadaghan ako og buhi niya. Dako kay katabang ang Mabenco sa amo ang pamilya, labi na sa amo ang panginabuhi. Kay maumay among gikuhaan og source of income kung makaginansya mi niya. Kaya akong bana, sa man ka construction worker. Gamay ra ang sweldo. Sa among pagpamuhi, makaginansya mi, may kuhaan na mo kamong pangonsumo. Inya, hinanginay na mo nga giugmad ang among balay. Ay ang among balay sa una, light material ra. Inya, naigo mi sa kalamitan. Guba among balay. Guba among babuyan. Mauto nga na ang Mabenco, nitabang na mo. Ya, gitabangan ko nila. Labi na, gipa-apply ko nila o calamity loan para mapabarog ang among balay. Lagi silang swine program. Ako kay katabang makita man sa among balay. Wala jud nila ang panginabuhian, ang pagpamuhi ng baboy. Karon naanak ko'y 5 kanay, saka butakal. Naanak ko'y katining niya, hinahinay na nako napadaghan ang akong tangkal. Kaya sa una ang akong tangkal sa baboy, duhara sa isa kanay o sa sulangan sa patining. Niya maka kani among yuta nga gipuy-an, maka-business sa baboy. Kung kani among gikaan, makagatan sa among yuta. Ay, data-data man among yuta. Sa pagpastila sa akong anak, o sa gikuhaan na mag-inka, mga among ginansya sa among baboy. Nasa usahay, mapildi ta, kay di man sa likayan good. Nagilang pildi sa pagpamuhi. Pero, sukol gyapon kay mao man gyud atong paginabuhi ang pagbaboy. Daghang salamat Mabenco sa inyong gihatag nga higayon nga naka-apil ko sa inyo ha. O naot nga daghan pang membro nga maka-avail sa nindot ninyo nga programa.
Maayong adlaw kaninyo tanan. Ako di ay si Kisha May Daclan, chairperson sa Mavenco Youth Laboratory Cooperative. Aniya ako karon para makigstorya sa unsa ka importante ang Aflaton program para sa atong mga kapatanunan. Sa Aflaton program, dili ra unsaon paghipos sa imong kwarta ang makatunan. And with that, I would like to share the history and impact of this program in our organization. The Aflaton program was certified and recognized by the Cooperative Development Authority on November 7, 2014. Since then, it has helped over 18,000 savers accumulate 15 million pesos in deposits, proving that young children like us could take control of our financial future. In Aflaton, I realized about the true importance of saving, that it is just more than setting aside your money. It is also about preparing for opportunities and securing your future. The program helps us in being exposed to the financial world early, allowing us to exchange with experts and learn about financial concepts beforehand. But in Aflaton, we don't just learn about finances. We are also taught about education, gender sensitivity, and even social responsibility that helps us in shaping ourselves to well-rounded individuals. Our organization, for instance, also comprised of the Mavenco Performing Arts Guild or MAVPAG, which showcase a platform for young students or the youth to showcase their talents in the arts and music even. This just shows the commitment of Mavenco in supporting and cultivating the talents of young minds. Aside from that, we as an organization commit ourselves in promoting the Aflaton program and educating the youth by conducting youth summits with students from Mandaue as our attendees. We are also planning to host donation drives as a way to give back to our community, host contests in order to promote the talents of students, and of course, plan entrepreneurship programs to help our students become future entrepreneurs. As the chairperson of the Mavenco Youth Laboratory Cooperative, I've witnessed how the Aflaton program helped in changing the perspectives of the youth on finance and savings, including my own. With Aflaton, we can learn, grow, and save because the habits we build today will shape the future we create for ourselves. On behalf of the Mavenco Youth Laboratory Cooperative, dako kayo ang among pasalamat sa Mavenco, Board of Directors, sa officers and staff, sa pagiya sa amua nga may mga umaabot na leader sa atong kooperatiba. With this year's theme, sa kalisod o kaharuhay, Mavenco ang naa kanunay. Daghang salamat!
Ako inubanan sa Mavenco Management and Staff ug sa atong maabtik nga Board of Directors, mapasalamaton sa higayon ug oras nga inyong gihatag tungod og alang sa kalampusan sa atong assembly. For 26 years since the birth of Mavenco, makaingon ko that we have come a long way and that we have achieved so many success and milestone. Pero kung unsa or asa man ta karon, kini usa ka hagit to do better and outperform what we achieved. Since 1999, Mavenco has established 11 branches: Mandaue, Lapu-Lapu, Consolacion, Talisay, Minglanilla, Carcar, Toledo, Carmen, Bugo, Mualbual ug Tuburan. Ug kini magpadayon pa pagdaghan sa tibuok province sa Cebu and its neighboring provinces, Bohol, Negros and if possible Mindanao area. Naka-venture usab ang co-op ug business side wherein nakatabang og dako sa atong mga miyembro ilabi na sa swine financing program, Co-op Mart ug uban pa. Every day is a challenge. Yes, however, we, the management and staff and the board of directors are grateful to take these challenges and turn it into an opportunity to make the operations perform better. And of course, the co-op is in a better position to help our members achieve their financial and non-financial goals. This year's theme, sa kalisod ug kaharuhay, Mavenco anaa kanunay, plays a significant role to each and every member of the cooperative. Through the years, Mavenco has lived its commitment and purpose to serve and help the members and the communities where we exist. Kani nga values mao miduot sa akong kasing-kasing when I look back sa first day nako diri sa Mavenco way back 2011. Started as an account officer, was given the chance to become a branch manager, promoted to head office as credit head, and July of last year appointed as CEO. Kini dako kaayo nga hagit kanako and a responsibility I have never imagined. However, ako malipayon and felt brave to accept the new role. Tungod sa suporta ug dakong pagsalig sa board of directors ug mga empleyado diri nako, mao akong gidawat ang maong hagit. Kay kahibaw ko usta ra gyud amo ang tuyo ug tumong mao ang pagpalambo sa kooperatiba. Busa akong commitment kaninyo nga kita magpadayon sa paglambo ug pag-asenso. Kaliwala man sa kalisod ug kaharuhay, ang Mavenco magpabilin nga usta sa inyong kaabag. Congratulations to our valued members for choosing Mavenco to be your partner in your financial journey. To the board of directors, my sincere gratitude for the outpouring support, guidance, and confidence that I can fulfill the role you have entrusted to me. To the partners, thank you for the unwavering trust and your continued partnership with the cooperative. The management and staff, daghang salamat.
Mavenco was built on the foundation of cooperative, unity, and service. Through the years, we have remained committed to our mission to provide financial support, livelihood opportunities, and financial service to uplift the lives of every members and their families. It is an honor to share with you our financial highlights of the cooperatives. First, financial stability and growth. One of our top priorities is maintaining financial stability while ensuring sustainable growth. Through strategic planning, responsible fund management, and diversify investment opportunities, we continue to strengthen our financial standing, ensuring that the cooperative remains strong for future generations. Second, members' product, services, and benefits. At Mavenco, our members are at the heart of everything we do. We continually improve our loan programs with a loan portfolio of 1.3 million, savings and investment options. We have a deposit liability of 706 million and the financial assistance services to provide meaningful benefits and a long-term security of our members. Third, business and enterprise development. To expand our cooperative's impact, we focus on the business diversification. Our consumer mart, along with the other revenue-generating projects, help sustain the cooperative while providing members access to quality products and services at the competitive prices. Fourth, governance and compliance. Strong governance ensures that the cooperative operates with transparency, accountability, and integrity. We strictly adhere to the Cooperative Development Authority regulations and continuously refine our policies to ensure ethical and responsible management. Fifth, digital transformation and innovation. To keep up with the modern demands, we are embracing digitalization by improving our members' services, online transactions, and automated processes, making it easier, faster, and more convenient for our members to access our cooperative's offering. Sixth, community engagement and social responsibility. Beyond financial services, we are committed to community development. Through outreach programs, livelihood support, and educational initiatives, we empower not just our members, but also the communities we serve. We encourage all members to stay engaged and make the most of what the cooperative offers. Let's continue working together to build a stronger, more resilient, and more powerful cooperative. Thank you, and let's go together.
Before I end my message for today, I would just like to state our theme again, sa kalisod ug kaharuhay, Mavenco anaa kanunay. Cheers to more years to our cooperative.
Sa makausta pa, ako nagahagit kanatong tanan to break boundaries and set new records this year and in the years ahead. Mabuhay ang kooperatiba.
Through every challenge, Mavenco has adapted. through every storm, we have risen together. Because resilience isn't just what we do, but it's who we are. In times of trial, we stand with you. In times of triumph, we celebrate with you. 26 years of optimal service, a lifetime of care, and a future that we have built together. With this year's theme, Sa Kalisod o Kaharuhay, Mavenco Anaa Kanunay, defines that through every hardship and every success, Mavenco will always be there, constant, unchallenged, and strong.